The morning of 13 November 2025 was filled with excitement and enthusiasm as the students of class 4th presented their special assembly, Dare to Dream, a world of possibilities. The program began on a divine note with a beautiful welcome dance, offering prayers to the Almighty and setting the tone for the day. This was followed by a series of inspiring performances, an English speech that motivated everyone to dream big.
Today, I'm here to talk about something that makes life exciting, something that gives wings to your hopes. Dare to dream, a world of possibilities. You know what? Dreams are free, so dream big.
An expressive English poem,
Ocean soul, reach for stars, make that your goal. The climb is steep, the road is tough, but dreams are treasures you must keep.
and a heartfelt Hindi speech that celebrated the power of determination.
सपने देखना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि सपने हमें आगे बढ़ने की ताकत देते हैं.
Adding colors to the morning, our talented students performed a vibrant group dance, spreading smiles and energy all around. The audience also enjoyed a solo musical presentation by Arav Dhingra, whose melodious performance filled the hall with applause. Parents too were an important part of this celebration. They participated enthusiastically in two exciting games. Our respected principal sir along with director sir, they appreciated the efforts of students and the teacher congratulated everyone for putting up such a wonderful show.
सपने ही देखेंगे तभी वहां तक पहुंचेंगे और ये भी एक बच्चे ने कहा कि सपने they need not to be little. If you think a little low, you are doing a little injustice to your ability.
लेकिन स्कूल में पढ़ाई में let the children dream. Please don't force them to compete much.
It was indeed a wonderful and memorable morning, reminding everyone that we can dare to dream. We create a world full possibilities. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, step ahead.